welcome back to my channel. So the products I bought for cleaning, to show you guys. They say this one is a bleach, remove stuff stains. Okay, so I was able to apply them in the night to clean up my stove, like a kind of general cleaning. I removed everything. And also this one, they say cooktop cleaning kit. Okay, inside this one now, let me show you. So this one has and a brush, like a kind of brush to brush off the top stuff. And this liquid, they say, is a glass cooktop cleaner. So when you spray it, you use this one to scrub it. All right, and I have this one. This one is a stainless wipe, so I'll use it to wipe all this, my stainless, I think that is what it's meant for. I was able to like try it a little bit, so it's giving it a shiny color, not a blurry color now, but I'll be also cleaning it again with that. All right, so guys, if you are a content creator, you know that everything is very difficult. Like, you don't even have enough time for yourself. Look at how dirty all these things are looking. So I decided today to use it for the cleaning of my oven, the cleaning of my stove, to make it look good. Because of course I do my videos, my cooking video here in the kitchen, and people don't want to look at a dirty environment. You guys, look at that. My fruits are finished, so I have to go for a fruit grocery. Yes, I was also able to apply it inside the oven here, so that it will enable easy cleaning. All right guys, if you're coming for the first time, my name is Chidema. I'm from Nigeria. I'm into lifestyle modification. In this channel we do lifestyle modification. Okay, so modification can be in terms of health, in terms of everything, in terms of your house. You have to change one or two things, like when water drips, when you're cooking and the water drips, immediately it touches here, it will just burn and dry off. That's what I'm experiencing here. Guys, if you have this kind of stove, I don't know if you know any products that will help me, please let me know. All right guys, let's do this cleaning. Okay, let me start from the stove area. Yes, I have to start from somewhere to start cleaning. Oh God, help me. Please help me, God. Jesus, 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 you see, it's not going out though. You guys, this thing since yesterday till this morning, since yesterday I put this liquid it's supposed to, like, as I touch it tonight, to just give me white color. Okay, I will call the reviews for this thing. People cannot eat my money. I will call the review in this channel now. To help me, honestly, I need something to help me to scrub out My beautiful people, this is the height we did today. Like my stuff is looking so neat now, but not actually the way I would have loved it. Okay, but all the same, yes, we tried to achieve something today because it's not easy. I have been scrubbing and scrubbing and scrubbing. Honestly, there is no house chores that is like less. You have to do something, except you just don't want to do and you ignore for that day or for that moment. But when you start doing it, it will take you almost the whole day. I'm telling you, for me to achieve this stove and the oven cleaning and and the cleaning of the microwave, like it took me almost, because the rust won't go out. Like I have been scrubbing and scrubbing and scrubbing and scrubbing. I don't know why it is usually this way, but all the same, they are clean now. I want to say thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you so much, everyone, for watching. Thank you so much for watching. I think it is a little glittering now. I like it this way. Yes, thank God I was able to clean up this place. So I hope that I was able to inspire many people today with this cleaning. Yes, if I did, please let me know in the comment section. And if you know any product, if you are in US, maybe Amazon may have it or something, let me know that can clean up rust, because my hand is even aching me now because of the scrubbing. I use sponge, I use brush, I use different, like, is it 3 products I used to scrub today. Like, yeah, that is it for today. Yeah, they are looking good. Thank you so much for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Bye guys. Bye bye.